Shout out to Life of a Fun Size. I see you in the house. I see Uncle Kev Marsh in the building. Shout out to you. All right, we have one package left. Oh, you know what? Before we go, I did want to mention, since I told him I'd mention this, I have these new shirts by FIOBOC. You might have seen them when I showed them in a weekly haul video a couple weeks ago. But these are very nice. They have this material that's like it's sort of stretchy, but it's like it maintains its shape. And it's odor resistant and stain resistant and oil resistant. And I tell you, I love this whole stain resistant thing because I was actually out today shooting. I went to the zoo to go shoot. I was working on some reviews of like a battery and a sling pack, and I just wanted to get out and do some shooting. So I did, and it was hot and muggy, and I was sweating. I actually sweat through my shirt. I sweat through both of my shirts. I sweated through both of my shirts, and I saw that I was sweating through, but when they dried, I didn't have those stains that I normally get. Normally when you sweat through a shirt, especially a black one, you'll get those like white salt stains. I didn't get that because this shirt is actually stain resistant, and that's one of those. That's a FIOBOC shirt, and I don't know if let me see if I can find them. They sent me some stuff, and let's see if I have. Let me see if I can find their website. Now their shirts are not super cheap, so just be prepared to pay a little bit of money, and also be prepared for some good quality. But this is what some of their shirts are going to look like. You can see. We'll just hit the tops there, and you'll see some of their products there and what they're going to look like. So I believe they sent me this one here, right there, and they sent me, I believe it was, I think it might have been this cooling one here. And so yeah, they sent me some nice stuff here, and but you can see you can get different ones. You have like the Henley one, you have like a V-neck with the pocket. You have the polo one. You have this the casual short sleeve one with the embroidered T-shirt. Another one with the embroidered on there. You have all kinds of stuff that's on there that's looking good. So, all right.